Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with 3 little unboxings to show today. If I haven't said Happy New Year to you, Happy New Year. Second week of January. We've got this, okay? So the first thing I'm gonna do is unbox a spring item that I had pre-ordered that came in. This is the box. This drawer is really tough, so I have it already halfway opened. I also have a dog behind me if things look a little weird. She decided that that's where she wanted to lay today, so she's in this video. Here's the card for the box. This is so pretty. So pretty. Like, I think this is gonna be one to wear around my neck. This is from the All That Straps bandeaus. Oh my God, it is so detailed and just gorgeous. Look at that. You have a tag there. Here. These are so hard to show. So that's the one side. And then this is the other side, a black background on the monogram. It's black and white. But yeah, look at that detail. Just so pretty. And I love the luggage tags on it. So when my SA showed these to me, I said, yes, pre-order me one. It's got the red in there, of course. You know, I love my red. So that came pretty quick in the new year. And then it has Louis Vuitton at the bottom. So I said, this is too cute. Too cute, too cute. So yeah, I might wear this one around my neck. I don't know. It's really pretty. I love it. But that's All That Straps. So that is for spring 2021. I know lots of new things are coming out. And I have a bandeau addiction. Bandeau, whatever, addiction. I don't know what to do about it. This is one of my Christmas presents. I forgot to unbox this for you guys. This is, I think it might look better if I show you in the box. You can see the difference in what it looks like against the black. But it's a brooch. Can you see it? It's simple, which I like, and it does have Chanel Paris written on it. But it's a simple look. I really like that. And I think this will go with a lot of outfits, a lot of things. And my last little unboxing is actually just a little bit of a snack straight from Paris. I was on my favorite food shipping website, which I have been crawling all over since we got into quarantine and finding all kinds of good eats. But it's from Ladurée in Paris. Came in this little box. And yes, it came from Paris. I ordered it on my favorite website. And it's candied almonds, which I absolutely love. And they taste good. And this is a cute box with the gold and cream. And there's the label here. There you go, there's the label. And here they are. Aren't they cute? So yeah, my little favorite food website has everything on there, like from Wagyu beef to Magnolia Bakery banana pudding. And they also have Ladurée. And you can order stuff straight from Paris, so not bad to know, huh? Say hi, Savvy. Say hi. There's people looking at you. She had a good Christmas too. She got new pajamas, new toys, but she hasn't asked for these yet. I'm shocked. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will picture these items on Instagram in a few days and get some good shots so you can see some of the details. I'm gonna eat these, so I'll get a picture, but I'm probably gonna eat these all by the end of the day. But thank you for watching. I hope you are subscribed. I hope you've hit the notifications. I will see you guys real soon. Bye.